Changing the locations of your Wharton time zone clock can be done using the RC100 remote or through a PC interface. To change locations through a PC, first ensure the PC is connected to the same network as the time zone. Launch the cMon program and find the clock that requires changing from the list of devices. Highlight the clock and select Tools, then Update Time Zones. From here, each of the location names and time zones on the clock can be set. Once you are happy with your selection, click OK and the clock will update. To change a location using the remote, first enter the menu and navigate to the location menu. From here, use the plus and minus buttons to select the location that you wish to change. You can now set the desired location for the selected zone. For a full list of location codes, please refer to the 4700 series manual. Press the up button to move on to the display selection menu, used if there are multiple text displays per zone. Press the up button again to move on to the location display mode. Set this to 0. Press up again to begin setting the location. The last character of the location will begin flashing. Press the down button to delete each character until only the first letter remains. Use the plus and minus buttons to change the character, pressing the up button to move on to the next. Once the display has been set to the desired location, press the exit button to leave the menu or set the next character as an exclamation mark and press the up button to confirm.